Warning: before working on any machine, first be sure to lock out and tag out the machine and put the rotor locking pin in the rotor. This can vary depending on model, so refer to your owner's manual for specifics or call WSM for guidance. Serious injury or death could occur if proper procedures are not followed. Always wear proper OSHA-approved personal protective equipment while working on any machine. This should include safety glasses with side shields, work boots, and work gloves. To begin, make sure the work area and equipment is free from debris and trip hazards. Care should be taken to ensure the rotor has come to a complete stop before attempting any maintenance. Make sure the lockout and tagout procedure is followed as mentioned earlier in this video, and the rotor locking pin is in the rotor. To unbolt the case, use a wrench or impact wrench and put the bolts safely out of the way. For models without the hydraulic opening case, access to the hammers is done by unbolting the door on the front of the machine and on the side where the rotor locking pin is located. For models with the hydraulic opening case, be sure the area around the case is free from obstacles and people, and engage the hydraulic pump until fully opened. To change tips, first, unbolt the tip from the back of the hammer body with an impact wrench. Use caution to not drop the tip into the machine. Once unbolted and removed, use a wire brush and compressed air to clean both the hammer body and tip of all debris. Next, either install a new tip or rotate the partially worn tip 90 degrees to an unused side and apply Loctite and bolt the tip back on, tightening to the recommended spec in your owner's manual with a torque wrench. Proceed to the next tip and repeat for the remaining tips in the row. Use this time to inspect the rotor, hammer body, hammer tip, bolts, and threads for wear and replace if damaged. Tips should be rotated or changed often enough to keep wear off the hammer body, thus extending the life of the hammer body. When a tip has been worn on all sides, it's time to replace the tip. When ready to close the case, models with the hydraulic option just need to make sure the case is clear of obstacles and engage the pump. Once closed, use an impact wrench to rebolt the case shut and remove the rotor locking pin. For grinders without hydraulics, close the doors on the front of the machine, then remove the rotor pin and replace the pin cover plate, bolting all items closed with an impact wrench. West Salem Machinery's hammers are made in the U.S., designed to perform and made to last while providing consistent performance. Please contact West Salem Machinery's parts department for your parts, service items, and service-related questions.